Well, you need basically body needs energy, and our body gets that energy from three main sources: sugar, proteins, and lipids, fat, let's say that. But we have to remember that for the body to use those three things to make energy, they have to be inside the cell of muscles, inside the liver, inside each cell that we need energy. In diabetics, that sugar, it's not inside the cells, so it's free in the bloodstream. So even when you do have a lot of sugar, the body is unable to use it. It's not able to use it for energy. So the body will think you need more sugar or more energy, and then it gives you the signal to be hungry and put it more. So it's actually like a circle in which you eat, but you're not able to use the energy, so you have to eat more.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. I got one more question, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Think you had said that one of three pre-diabetics will develop diabetes in 5 years, and more than half will develop diabetes in 10 years. In your opinion, is that more a function of people not being able to change their lifestyles or get the proper medication, or is it just that in some cases it's just degenerative where you can't avoid that?
Well, that is one thing that I think is very unfortunate. Yes, there's a lot of those people who are not going to be able to avoid it, because as I was telling you, there's a very strong genetic factor here and in your family history. But we have to remember that being diagnosed early helps you treat it better and not having the complications. Because being diabetic and being well treated is like not being diabetic at all. So yes, unfortunately, the answer is that, and I do not like to say that a lot, because then people will say, if I'm gonna have it, then I'm gonna have it, and I'm not gonna do anything about it if I cannot avoid it. But I think what you should keep in mind and what you should remember is that you can avoid, and if you cannot, then at least you can be diagnosed early.